Up first this evening, a claim that the recent slide in the value of the Jamaican dollar was artificially created by financial institutions. That's according to President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Richard Pandui, who contends that the fluctuation only hurt local entities. He was speaking at a Rotary Club meeting in Kingston this afternoon. For President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, Richard Pandui, the recent devaluation of the Jamaican dollar against the US dollar was not the result of natural market movement.
It was clearly artificial, and I'm not here bashing banks. They have a commodity and they could get a better price for it, and I guess that's what they did. But the fact is that it hurt everybody else.
Especially manufacturers. He says for the 5 weeks where the dollar devalued by 5%, manufacturers who import up to 95% of their raw materials faced serious challenges paying suppliers. He says it's because financial institutions were not making US dollars available to end users.
Let's just take out the complexity of finance, right? The carnation market, the bank is a higgler, tomato is a dollar. They just never want to get a dollar, although they have it. There's no shortage of foreign currency in the economy. There's no shortage of foreign currency in the economy.
He says the JMEA met with the central bank representatives, including Governor Richard Biles, and came up with suggestions to stem the volatility.
One of the key proposals that on the next auction, on the next intervention in the market, instruct the funds to be made available to end users. Because we could not get the funds, we could not pay our suppliers, we were having a lot of problems. 70 million was done over the previous period, no impact. $20 million was done last week, Thursday. The dollar's moved from effectively 143 to 138 already, right? The banks that certainly had no money to give you have been vigorously on the phone calling that there are funds available now. That is the reality.
He hopes the measures will be utilized to prevent future instability.